Hey, what is going on out there in YouTube land? This is Super Simple Fixes, and today we are going to be reviewing the Sony a6000. But before we get started, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, and we are back. Right now we are looking at the Sony a6000. I'm just going to be giving you a quick overview because there are so many features on this mirrorless camera. Mirrorless camera means that it has fewer moving parts, so you get better image stabilization, and these things are smaller than your standard 35 millimeter. And I'm just getting into photography, and I'm still learning about the different features on all this. Well, this particular camera is also great because it's got video capability. But let's turn it on. So right now, this is your power button, and that goes right into the viewfinder. Well, I have the lens covered up right now, but you can go through the modes right here. Right now it's on manual, and then once you toggle it, it tells you what you're looking at. So this is memory recall, movie mode, which I just started messing with that today. Panorama, scene selections, intelligent auto. It's got two auto modes, which is really nice because if you haven't really used a camera before, it actually is really good at picking the speed and the lighting. But now I'm getting into manually adjusting all of that stuff. Program auto, aperture priority, shutter priority, and manual exposure again. I don't know what the last two were, so honestly, I don't really know what it does. But I'm basically sticking with manual, and I've used the movie mode and I've used the two smart modes, and they're pretty cool. But let's just kind of scroll through the menu real quick. Okay, so right now we are on the first menu screen. It gives you image size, aspect ratio, quality, and file format. File format, you have 3 different file formats. I just found that out today. Right now I set it on MP4. You have XAVCS and AVCHD, sorry. So I guess if you go with the other two, you're going to have to find a way to convert it if you're taking video that way. All right, let's see. Let's go to the next. Okay, number 2 is record setting, drive mode, flash composition, red eye, reduction, and focus mode. Have not used either of those yet, or any of those actually. Number 3, you can see all that right there. Have not messed around with that. Okay, we're on ISO set to auto. White balance. Okay, well, I should mess with that. I haven't messed with that just yet. Exposures, lock-ons, smile face detection. And I'm just kind of scrolling here just so you can see what it has. But I'm also going to show you a couple of the shots and the movie scene that I took, a real short little movie scene that I took earlier this morning. But it has really good image quality, really good movie shooting qualities. I don't know what else to say about it. I really like it. And let's see here. Oh, let's go to. Okay, so here's an image I took just this morning. Here's another one. But I'll put that up on the actual video so you can appreciate the quality of it. Right now you're looking at the screen, and I'm always looking at the screen rather than the viewfinder here. All right, and so that is it. Just a real quick recap of what this thing can do. It's not the latest and greatest, but you'll see in just a second the quality of the pictures and the video is pretty damn good. Other than that, have a great day. If you have any comments, suggestions, leave it down below. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.